Welcome to your channel once again, where we talk about crypto mining and crypto airdrops and other investments about crypto. But this is not the financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money online together. The withdrawal of Simple Coin has started, and as you can see over here, I've just withdrawn 10% of my total balance from the Telegram bot, and this is directly to their own wallet. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create their own wallet and how to link the wallet to the Telegram bot, and also how to make withdrawal successfully. So watch to the end in order to get all my points. The link to their wallet will be in the description box below. So once you click it, it's going to bring you straight up here. Download and install it. When you click on the open, it's going to open like this. You can see get started here. So finance is simple. So all you do is just click on the get started. Now you need to enter in your email, but make sure it's the same email with the one you registered with on the bot. If the email is different, definitely you'll be having a little problem here. So once the email is same thing, make sure you go back to check. Once you check and the email is same thing, then you're good to go. So the next thing to do over here is click on I hereby confirm I'm over 18, and then you click on continue. So the next thing here is the OTP. So you need to get an OTP in your email address. So all you do is just click on open email app. So that will take you straight up to your email. Then you see the OTP like this. So you can either click on confirm email, or you can scroll down a little bit and then copy the OTP code here. Either of the two is fine. So but I copied the OTP code, and going back to the application now, it's copied there automatically. So now let's proceed. Here you need to enter your personal informations like your first name and your last name, date of birth, your country, and then if you have a referral code, you can add it over here. If you don't, just click on the continue. Now you need to create a 4-digit PIN. So after creating it, they will ask you to confirm the 4-digit PIN. So once it's confirmed, then you need to enable the biometrics. Is either the fingerprint, or you just click on later. So now that the wallet is active, you can receive Bitcoin or USDT with this wallet, or even send out with this wallet, and also you can add more tokens. On the market section here, these are your popular tokens you know about, especially the _NOT that has just launched recently, and other tokens also. When you check over here on the profile icon here, you will see the profile details, security, payments, and others. And if you need any help, you can click on the support, or just go straight to the help center in order to get answers to your question. So let's move on to the step 2 on how to make the withdrawal to this wallet we have just created. So going straight to your Telegram bot here, the Simple Coin. If you're just hearing about Simple Coin for the first time, I've made like 2 videos for it. You can go down to watch that. I'll be putting the link in the description box so you can watch that. So here you can see I have 2.8 token right now. So what I'll be doing here is clicking on this icon over here. So you can see here withdraw to Simple. So that's the Simple wallet. That's what they mean. So you can see the FAQ. You can go through it in order to understand how the withdrawal works. But if you click on these withdrawal conditions, which is very important. So the first thing here is you must have at least 20 friends. I know many people don't, but you can still try a little. But they are going to reduce the condition, because I checked their Twitter. So I saw that they are going to reduce the condition very soon. But this is just the starting. You can withdraw no more than 10% of your current balance. Withdrawals are possible once every 24 hours. You must confirm the receipt of Simple Coin in the Simple app. So I'll be showing you what this last one means in a bit. So all you do is click on the continue. So now I need to click on the maximum. So this maximum here is the 10% of 2.8 million tokens that I have here, which is 285,000 tokens here. So I'll just click on the withdraw. So you can see it's processing, and thank God it's successful. So I need to go straight to the app in order to confirm these funds so I won't lose it. So click on got it over here. So heading over to the wallet now, you can see over here collect Simple Coin. So I need to acknowledge this. That means I need to collect the Simple Coin. Please don't click on the decline, because declining it may just make you lose the fund. So once I click on the collect here, I've received my 285 Simple token, and this is just a simple introduction to the token over here. And scrolling down here, you can see the roadmap, which you can go through also. Now withdrawal has started and you are not yet mining, and also maybe you're mining but you are not active. What are you still waiting for? Don't forget to spin the wheel on the Simple Coin tab bot, and the maximum win here is 500,000 token, which is not something small. So with that, it's going to boost your earnings also. If you learn anything in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel for fast updates. See you all in my next video. Stay always blessed.